Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Volvo S60 tail light. First, open your trunk and find the carpeted access panel on the side where the tail light is located. Gently pull this panel back to reveal the inner workings. You'll need a few basic tools, typically a 10mm socket wrench, to get started. This initial step is crucial for gaining proper access to the tail light assembly. Next, you'll see 2 or 3 retaining nuts that secure the tail light assembly to the vehicle's body. Using your 10mm socket wrench, carefully loosen and remove each of these nuts. It's a good idea to place them in a small container or a safe spot so they don't roll away. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the bolts or dropping the hardware. Once the nuts are removed, gently pull the tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but a firm, steady pull should release it. On the back of the assembly, you'll find the electrical connector. Press the small tab on the connector and carefully pull it apart to disconnect the wiring harness. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires or the connector itself. With the wiring disconnected, your tail light assembly is now completely free and can be removed from the vehicle. Take a moment to inspect the housing and the surrounding area for any signs of damage or corrosion. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Connect the wiring, align the assembly, secure the nuts, and replace the access panel. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.